Hello there and welcome to my channel. So just like I said in my previous video, in every video I'll be showing you guys how to perform a single dribble on Dream League. So in this video, this is Dream League 24. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can do a single leg over and a dribble. So let me show you guys before I show you the skill. So let's say I'm moving the ball forward and you do something like this. You do something like this. You take it forward and then so always, it's not compulsory that the player is going to do a single leg over, but in most cases, since it's a game, the person is going to do that Messi style, the shadow leg over before he moves the ball to the other side. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So now let's take the ball back. Let me take it back and then let me show you guys. So I'll be using this guy, the Minjai guy. So when you are moving the ball forward, you just swipe the screen to, I think, it's your right side. When you are watching the screen, it's your right side. So let me show you guys. So you take the ball, you are moving forward and you just swipe like that. So you see you did the leg over like that, something like that. You just swipe forward. Once you swipe forward, it's going to do the shadow thing and then move the ball to the different side. So that's it for the video. In our previous video, we learned about the rainbow flick. That's when you're moving forward and then you do this. So you can check that out on my channel. I have it on my playlist. When you hop on my channel, you move to the Dream League or the gaming playlist, you are going to see it there. So that's it for the video. Once again, do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.